Since we just got it done out there in the deer woods, dropped my buck off at the processor. Already got the European mount done on it. So figured I'd come up here to Clark's Hill today, get you guys a little bass fishing video done. I'm gonna be throwing a lipless crankbait and a jerkbait. Hopefully that's what they're biting. If not, I'll have to work around, play around. It's been a couple weeks since I've been up here to go fishing for bass, so find out what they're doing, find out what they're hitting. I'm gonna show you guys how low the lake is though. This is the boat ramp. This water level is normally up there where that bank is, where the rocks are. That's usually where the water is. It's way down here. They're supposed to be doing some work on a bridge, so they've been dropping the water level. It's like almost 9 feet low. So any of you guys going out to Clark's Hill, y'all be careful. We're about to get this boat launched in and go find some fish. Well, we just pulled up to our first spot, back up in a creek. Hopefully we can catch them chasing some school and bait fish. And I'm recording this video using my GoPros, not my new camera. I was kind of iffy about bringing my new camera out on the water, being I just got it and it's a little expensive, but eventually it'll happen. I was getting a little worried there for a minute, going on all them deer hunts, not seeing any deer. I was afraid I wasn't going to get you guys any footage. Feels good to finally get it done, get it on film, be back on the water. And my wife's happy I got meat in the freezer. Hopefully we can catch some fish. Oh yeah, they're shooting. The fish are shooting into the school bait fish. Look at that. Look at this. Come look at this real quick. You can look on the down scan, see where he shot, and you can see him go straight into the school bait fish. They're just not on the surface yet. Look at him just rippling the water. This place is loaded up with bait fish. We just can't catch any good fish. I've gotten 2 hits on the spinnerbait, but ain't nothing took it yet. Look at that. I mean, they are just scolding here, man. Got one. Yes, sir. Ha-ha. Oh, got a little guy got a little fight to him. Get in that boat, baby. Huh?
Was that on your jerkbait?
Yes, sir. Oh. All right. Well, the skunk is over. Little dink, but hey, I'll take it. Got another one. Oh, this is just a little bit better one. Not unless it's another one of them dinks with a good fight. Oh, it's a dink with a good fight. Oh, a little bit better though. Oh, yes,
Dude,
sir.
that is a little bit better.
Heck yeah. It's number 2 right there, back to back. I mean, when you find the bait fish, baby, you gotta fish it. Number 2. That's what I'm fishing with right there, the Rapala X-Wrap. I'm just popping it pretty aggressive and then just letting it sit there. Oh man, did you see that?
You had one
I
hit?
wonder if my GoPro got it. I dragged, like when I set the hook, I didn't know it was that close. I dragged him to the top of the water, then he let it go. It was a little tiny one. I'm talking about like tiny.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
A little bit better one here. Oh yeah. Get the net. Get the net.
Need a net?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh man, I hate your net.
Yeah. I think it might come this one. It might come. Oh.
So we know they're deep. All right.
Hold on.
Oh. I got you. Well, you said you want to catch one on a crankbait, son. You got a dang good one. Yes, sir.
Boom.
Holy shit.
That's a 6-pounder, bud.
Nice, son. Yeah. God, I think that's bigger than 6 pounds. Look at the daggone mouth on that joker, son. Oh my God. Oh, man. Oh yeah, yeah, probably. He's 5 or 6.
Now if I rotate. Oh,
This is a good one.
you got him?
Oh, he's not a good one. He felt like a good. He nailed this spinnerbait, son.
Dude, that's a 1.5 pounds.
He nailed this spinnerbait. Dude, these fish in here got some fight to them, man. Woo! Yeah.
Dude, it's been like 2
Whoa.
years since I caught one.
Just caught this guy on a spinnerbait. Trying to get some bigger fish because Will's old 5 pound he just caught on a crankbait. So at least I know I'm there hitting it. Alright, well, I appreciate y'all watching my video out here on Clark's Hill doing some bass fishing, relieving some stress after the countless hours sitting in the woods watching nothing but a bunch of squirrels and birds. It was nice to come out here, actually find some fish. We didn't catch a whole lot of fish, but hey, at least we didn't get skunked. So don't forget, hit that like button. Those of you that aren't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. I'll see y'all next time.